our section solution of system of linear equations. There are two types of equations. First one, homogeneous equations. Second one, non-homogeneous equations. What is homogeneous equation? Equation with right side equal to 0 is called the homogeneous equations. For example, x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Here the right side is 0. This equation is called homogeneous equations. Homogeneous equations. Then what is non-homogeneous equations? The equation with RHS not equal to 0 is called non-homogeneous equations. That is, same example, x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 equal to 5. It's an example for non-homogeneous equations. Then listen, system of equations. What is system of equations? There are two types of system of equations. First one, system of homogeneous equations and system of non-homogeneous equations. What is system of homogeneous equation? Homogeneous equation is more than one. Together we call system of homogeneous equations. For example, x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 0. x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 is equal to 0. And x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. This is called system of homogeneous equations. Then system of non-homogeneous equations. Listen, here the right side, either one of this equation is not equal to 0. That is 5, 0, 0. So okay for non-homogeneous equation. This is system of non-homogeneous equation. This is also an example of system of non-homogeneous equations. That is, either one of the equation with not equal to 0, the RHS not equal to 0 is called the system of non-homogeneous equations. Then our section, solution of system of linear equations. That is, solve the system of linear equation. Solve the system of linear equation. Our first section is solution of non-homogeneous linear equations. That is, solve the system of non-homogeneous linear equation. We have a method. That method is Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method.